Are you getting network errors and dropped connection issues on PS5? Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check PlayStation network status. When you are getting network error and dropped connection issues on PS5, check the PSN status. If the PSN server is down, then also you can get such errors. To do that, visit the PlayStation network status page. Confirm if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 2. Restart the PlayStation 5. The next thing you can do is restart the PS5 console. Sometimes a fresh restart can fix minor bugs and errors that might be responsible for the connectivity issues. To do that, press the PlayStation button. Go to Power Option, select PS5 Restart. Wait till your system fully restarts. Method 3. Restart router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, unplug your router and modem, wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in. Allow the devices to fully restart. Method 4. Try a wired connection. If possible, connect your PlayStation 5 to your router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections provide a more stable and reliable connection compared to Wi-Fi. This is because Ethernet cables are less susceptible to interference from other devices and obstacles such as walls and furniture. Additionally, Ethernet connections generally offer faster and more consistent speeds. Method 5. Change the DNS settings on your PS5. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then head to Network. Then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS Settings, select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and then set the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK to save the changes. Once done, head to the network page again. Now you can run an internet connection test, so select Test Internet Connection. Start test and check the connection speed. Method 6. Check for router firmware updates. The next thing you can do is contact your service provider and ask for a router firmware update. Due to outdated router firmware, you can have connectivity issues, so contact the service provider to update the firmware and see if that helps. Method 7. Forget the network. The next thing you can do is forget the network and re-add it. Sometimes this can fix temporary connectivity issues. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select the Setup Internet Connection. Select the network you are connected to. Then select the Forget option. Then wait for a few minutes, then connect it again. You will need to enter your network password again to reconnect. Follow as shown. Method 8. Check the placement of the device. To ensure your PS5 performs at its best and maintains a strong connection, it's essential to consider its placement. So place your PS5 as near to your router as possible. This minimizes the signal travel distance, reducing potential connection issues. Eliminate obstacles between your PS5 and the router. Remove physical barriers like walls, furniture, or other electronic devices that might interfere with signal strength and cause connectivity problems. By positioning your PS5 properly and removing obstructions, you will enhance your overall experience with a stable and robust connection. And there you have it, the methods to fix the network errors and dropped connection issues on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.